Alright, so this is something. I don't know what this is. This is called Charlie Challenge. I don't know what this is. I think it's here like Charlie, are you there? And then this pen's supposed to move. Didn't know. Let's give it a shot. Charlie, are you there? Charlie, are you there? What the freak? What? No. Well, apparently Charlie is here. Okay, let's try another one. Charlie, do you watch my videos? I'm done. No, I'm done. I'm out here. No, screw you.